Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making one decisive change. Silence your phone and remove visual clutter within arm's reach. Once done, set a 10-25-minute focus window and commit to it. This creates urgency and reduces drifting. Make sure to adopt an open posture and breathe for 2 slow cycles so your mind settles. Now, orient to the speaker. Note their name, topic, and goal. These initial steps prime attention and give you a concrete anchor to return to when thoughts wander. You move into active listening by chunking content into 3 to 5 core ideas. This reduces overload and makes recall easier. Once you identify a chunk, jot 1 to 3 keywords or a quick symbol per minute. These micronotes keep you engaged without interrupting flow. Make sure to paraphrase silently or form one clarifying question when an idea is unclear. Doing so forces processing. If possible, signal the speaker with a brief question, add a natural pause to deepen. You finish by producing a concise summary. Say or write 2 to 3 sentences that capture the main points and implications. Once done, pick one concrete follow-up action. Ask a question, request a resource, or schedule a next step. Make sure to tie that action to a deadline or location so it sticks. If your attention drifts during any phase, use this troubleshooting tip. Pause, take a 30-second breathing reset, then reorient to the anchor keywords, and restart listening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.